A tropical paradise, a trip to Mauritius. Mauritius, a gem in the Indian Ocean, welcomed us with pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and a vibrant culture. Our trip to this tropical paradise was a feast for the senses, leaving us with unforgettable memories. The moment we stepped onto the soft, white sands of Flick and Flack, we knew we were in for a treat. The beaches stretched endlessly, adorned with swaying palm trees and the gentle melody of the waves. Snorkeling in the clear waters revealed a kaleidoscope of marine life, from colorful corals to playful tropical fish. Exploring the island's cultural richness took us to the bustling markets of Port Louis. The vibrant displays of spices, textiles, and local crafts immersed us in the lively atmosphere. We couldn't resist sampling the diverse culinary delights, from aromatic curries to freshly caught seafood. The marvels of nature were revealed on a visit to the Chameral Plain. A natural phenomena known as the seven-colored earths displayed dunes with sand that was different hues, resulting in an oddly beautiful scene. The Chameral waterfall, cascading amidst lush greenery, provided a breathtaking backdrop. Mauritius offered more than just scenic beauty, it embraced us with warmth and friendliness. The locals shared stories of their rich heritage. As our trip concluded, we carried back not just souvenirs of vanilla tea and tropical fruits but a profound appreciation for the enchanting island of Mauritius. Its blend of natural wonders, cultural diversity, and warm hospitality left an indelible mark on our hearts, making it a destination we long to revisit.